Hello everyone. It's been almost a year since I did my last vlog like this. A lot has happened, I think, since then. And I just wanted to, I guess, vlog or start vlogging again. It's like good to go back and rewatch the videos. And I have really bad memory and like I hate writing in journals. I'd rather just speak out what's in my head. But I would still love to like document what I've done, like in terms of, you know, my work or with my friends. And I feel like last year just so many things happened and I just don't remember. As bad as it sounds, I want to be able to look back and see, like, you know, how my January was or my February and so on. And like I've been trying to journal every day, but like I don't know, I just can't sit down and like write stuff like that and like write well. And so I think it'd be just a lot easier for me to see and like watch the video. For those of you guys who are watching, like my friends, my family, be able to see like what I'm doing, I guess, while I'm not home. And I'm really bad at, I guess, catching up with people. This video can be like a way for me to start that conversation. But yeah, I've been grinding this coffee forever. I think it's done. Yeah, I picked up a new hobby for the new year. I love cameras and I love taking pictures. It's just, you know, it's a way for me to release my stress. If you take a picture of something like a scenery, it's like you just captured like a moment in time. And, you know, versus like how our lives, like it's always moving. And I feel like for me, it's like moving so fast. And for me to be able to go back and see those pictures being so still and like that moment just captured, I don't know, I find that peace. But recently, like I was challenged to, you know, maybe not spend as much money or my energy or time in photography and find something else. And my friend Chris, like he's really into coffee, and like I've been asking him about cheaper ways to get into coffee because I know it can get like super expensive. Yeah, and today I'm about to go meet up with some friends. Yeah, I'm still working fully remote. My friends that are also working from home. We like to get together sometimes and work together. And today's a Friday, so we're gonna grab lunch together and try to get productive for the last half of the day before the weekend. Oh my God, it's so cold. Nathan.
Don't be mad.
I'm gonna get a greens and grain bowl.
Oh my gosh, you just... Oh!
Bite.
Peace.
Nathan, what do you want?
I'm gonna be a millionaire. Since you started vlogging.
You gotta keep that promise.
Wow, that was like so on point. How'd you know I was gonna do that?
I didn't. That's so funny.
This is day 2 of third wheeling.
I was just about to say that, but I was like, oh, I don't want to like go.
Woke up at 7 today while Nathan was fast asleep. Was it nice?
after brace practice, I texted them at 10 o'clock and that's when they woke up. So I was jealous.
Tommy's working on emotional vulnerability.
What am I working on?
Emotional vulnerability.
Emotional vulnerability?
Yeah. You should do a video on that.
Am I not emotionally vulnerable?
No, you are.
Oh, oh, not to be?
No. I'm saying like you're like you could be an expert on it.
Oh, maybe.
It's
We're travelers. 우리 아무도 없어서. Here's some coffee. It's crazy.
And your boarding pass. Smells so good. What the heck?
so good.
완전 맛있어. I'll do it like get for you. Extra for me.
Okay, let me check that. I got
Should I eat this today?
No. 진짜 예쁜 데는 저기일 것 같아.
Wow. Oh my. Irish coffee.
I'll follow there.
Yeah. 맛있어?
Rate it.
Why are these words so hard? It's like I'm pooping or something.
I think we can eat that.
So Tommy, what are we making today?
Kimchi for crepes. Kroger. $19.
You're clickbait then. See, like, I have something to tell you guys.
That's what I'm dating.
Oh. So I'm getting the
Sorry, I can't talk to myself. I feel like I should be able to talk to myself.
So how's your day?
Because I feel like when I do this type of vlog, it's like, I'm not even famous. Do people want to watch this?
No, this is for your friends. It's not for the fame. It's not for the recognition.
It's like what your sweater says.
This is my cooking. I can get anything on it.
This water is cold. So,
What? Like, I'm still trying to figure out, like, what I need to be talking about in my daily life, you know?
Just tell us about your life, Tommy.
My life? It's a mess.
deepest, darkest secret.
My secret?
The deepest, darkest secret.
Believe it or not, I'm straight. I started making drip coffee. This is called Vario V6.
Mario?
Hario? I don't even know. Chris told me
I
about
think
it.
it's Mario.
Hario V60. And it's like, I don't know. It's like super easy to make.
What's EO1?
Huh?
When you were 6 years old, what did you want to be?
When I was 6 years old, I actually wanted to be a car mechanic when I was 6.
Oh.
So I would like, every time I passed by like a mechanic shop, I would like lie to my friends that like my dad would work there, because like that's where I wanted to work. So then like,
Were you a pro liar?
No, but like one time, like apparently my mom was so confused because like her teacher was like, "Oh, like your husband's a car mechanic?" My mom was like, "What?"
No way.
I went too far.
So Tommy, do you think you're well liked or well respected?
Honestly, I feel like for me, I want to be more liked, but I don't really know if I'm more well liked or respected. Because I feel like if you're more well liked, you're more approachable, right?
Hello, viewers. It's up to you to decide.
Oh, you were recording this?
Comment down below.
Yeah. Comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and like.
Tommy wants to be liked. Please tell him that you like him.
Is this gonna be the weekly thing? We're gonna meet up every Tuesday. You're gonna be asking me interview questions while I cook.
What is that? Nathan, what's your favorite part about Tommy? What's your favorite character of Tommy?
He's just so lovable.
와 대박.
뭐해?
완전 맛있어요. You're a little thinking baby, aren't you today?
Okay, you're doing oh.
팔 들고 있다, 얘들아. Have you ever heard that from your mom?
That's what my mom said a lot.
My mom would be like, she's cooking and be like, and then I'll like piss her off. She'd be like, 엄마 지금 칼 들고 있어.
Wow. So scary. I should just be like,
Stab me! Stab me! Do it! I know you want to!
Wow. You guys are literally kind of messed up.
Look how fast we get it done when there's 4 people working. Is she happy? I started it.
I'm speechless.
need for approval.
No, by the way.
Oh, okay. 그러면 우리 셋?
This is just us 3 trip?
down.
Chris, you wanna go?
Really?
Like Tahoe.
Oh. Tommy, you told me about this, right?
Yeah.
You said 1-3 or 1:30? January 30th?
Sunday through Wednesday.
Yeah.
다 땡겨?
Yeah, we're going snowboarding, right?
One day.
Yeah, just one day.
And the other day we're just gonna sightsee.
I'm working.
Oh, you are working.
Yes.
Tommy's just going for thrills.
I'm going for the spa.
Oh, that's
What?
true.
The benefit of the trip is that you get to be featured on both social media accounts.
Oh yeah,
Hey, wait a second. Is that a benefit?
Bye, John.
Bye, John.
Bye.
I'll have fun without you.
We'll
Actually,
have fun.
bye. I'll see you.
My parents did. Yeah. I think it's like I think my parents really utilize us as twins.